Hello everyone, this is 𝙄𝙊𝙁𝙊𝙍𝙁, President and CEO of Entigrity. We are an outsourcing company. We work with CPA firms out of US and Canada, and now we are expanding UK. We started in 2015, and today we are about 600 people team. We have our office primarily in India. We have one office in Baroda, Bombay, Hyderabad. So this video I'm making is specifically for inter-CAs or those who have completed 3 years of articleship or those who have more than 3 years of experience in accounting firm or company secretaries or CS-Intern, or if you have completed your company secretarial training at an office of company secretary. We have a lot of work opportunities in our company for you guys. Definitely there is a huge difference when you work with overseas accounting industry compared to working in a domestic industry. So what I'm going to do is I'll give you a quick comparison or a quick pointers on what are pros and cons of working in overseas accounting industry, especially with Entigrity, and we'll give you a little guidance on what could be a possible opportunity and what are possible factors that you should be looking for evaluating this opportunity. First of all, let us look at the negatives. So this industry, as you might already know, requires you to work till 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, midnight, because you collaborate with people overseas and you have to actually give matching working hours to them. So that is the one main drawback of this industry. Unlike what you require, this is a very external looking industry. So you need to keep yourself learning continuously, especially when you work with overseas client. You need to know their culture. You need to understand what are the things happening there. So these are the things that you would have to continuously keep yourself updated with. Apart from that, there would be a little cultural shift also, because you work with clients who are based out of different continent. You have to understand their culture, and in a way it's a positive thing. A lot of people like knowing different cultures. So these are some of the negative things. Also, sometimes, because this is a very, very customer focused company, sometimes there is a little pressure from the customer side that you have to handle. On the other side, what are the advantages of being in this industry? You can say that the growth path, financial and non-financial, is higher compared to or better compared to some of the opportunities available to this professional specifically. So the growth path is higher, because specifically if we talk about us, we don't look at qualifications. If you're a chartered accountant or if you're a company secretary, we don't look at that qualification. What we look at is the skill set, the experience, and the attitude of adaptability that you have towards your work. So that's what is important. Second thing, definitely if you work in a smaller CPA firm or a company secretary office or a small business here, this gives you a chance to move into a corporate environment, into the corporate ladder, wherein you can grow going forward, each step at a time. Compared to what we have here, this is a very outward looking profile, or these are very outward looking opportunities. Typically, if you are working in a legal department or account department, finance department, the role is pretty inward looking. You have to look at the numbers, prepare. Here it is a very outward looking role. Customer relationship is so much important. So that's the advantage, and it helps you becoming a very well-rounded, dynamic professional. So that's what we have seen, that the people who have been working in this industry post their career in domestic accounting and finance industry has gained much more dynamism and has become much more, as I say, rounded professional, because here you're required to understand overseas client, talk to them, understand their needs, help them resolve their challenges. So this requires empathy. A great learning on management and leadership and customer relationship management. And unlike typically we have here in domestic industry, Saturday, Sundays are off. So weekends are complete off and much deserved off. The reason is we work almost till 1 o'clock, 1:30 or 12 o'clock midnight. So we need time with family, time for rest on Saturdays and Sundays. So that's a little bit about advantages and disadvantages. Couple of things if I can highlight is this is a very, very customer focused role, or very, very customer focused profiles that would come across. You'd be daily interacting with clients. So very, very important to understand them, solve their problem before they arise, empathize with them, build trust with clients. And as I said earlier, you should be ready to adapt. We don't expect you to know everything from day one, no. But we definitely want people who are ready to learn, who are ready to understand the process, protocols, culture. And third most important thing I would like to highlight is communication skills. Communication skills is core to this kind of opportunity, because at the end of the day, you are required to communicate with clients which are sitting overseas. So this was a small video. As I said in the earlier part of my video, it was specifically meant to invite professionals like CS, company secretary, those who have done inter-CS, or those who have completed their internship in company secretary but couldn't pursue it further because of some reason. CA-Intern, or those who have completed 3 years of their articleship and couldn't pursue chartered accountancy further, or somebody who has 2-3 years of deep experience working in a CA office. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. This is Shalan. Thank you. Bye.